Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your PIN in the Amazon tablet when you forget it, for example. So if you have a PIN and you cannot unlock your device, just switch it off by holding the power button and choose power off. Then click on the power button and volume up at the same time. And hold it for a few seconds. Okay, now we're in the Android recovery mode and navigate in this menu by the volume buttons and choose Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now click on the volume down again to yes and click power button. After that your tablet should be resetted and you can log into your system and log it without any PIN. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.